You asked how to pray namaz. Today I will teach you 2 rakat step by step while sitting. First, make niyyat in your heart. I will pray 2 rakat for Allah. Then say Allahu Akbar and fold hands below navel. In Qiyam, read Sana, then Surat Fatiha, then small surahs like Surat Ikhlas. Read slowly with love for Allah.
Then Ruku, bow down, back straight, hands on knees. Say 3 times Subhanaha Rabbi al-Azim.
After Ruku', stand up straight. This is called Qawmah. Say Sami Allahu liman hamidah. Rabbana lakal hamd. Now sajda, forehead, nose, palms, knees, toes touching ground. Say 3 times Subhanaha Rabbi al-Ala.
Sit between 2 sajdas. This is Jalsah. Sit straight few seconds and say Allahumma ghfirli warhamni.
After second sajda, sit for at-tahiyyat and durood sharif. Finally, read Dua Masura and say Salam. Assalamu alaikum on right and left. Your 2 rakat is complete.